Alright, so today I'm going to be unboxing this Oraimo pair of earphones, and you can see that I got the earphones from Jumia. I'm going to talk about that later on in this video, but for now, let me just do the unboxing. Okay, so these are the Freepods Neo, and they have been out for a while now, but I have not been able to get my hands on them because, well, I believe I've said this I've responded to some comments letting you guys know that I can no longer order for products from the Oraimo official website because they have removed my state from their shipping lists. Okay, so let's unbox this one. There are some seals here. Let me just cut them. There's a seal here and a seal at the bottom as well. So if I remove, well, you can already see the manual, and yeah, this is what you get out of the box. You get the case. This reminds me a lot of the Oraimo Reef 2. And then you get the cable, like the USB-C cable. So yeah, that's basically all. Then finally the manuals, which I may or may not go through later on. Okay, so inside we have the earphones, and well, I don't have a lot to say right now until I start using them, but let me just remove this protection stuff they put so that it can start charging. Do the same for the other one. And yeah, as usual, I'll use the product for like a week so I can get to know everything I can about it. But in the meantime, you guys can ask me questions you have so that when I make the final review, then I'll answer your questions. Alright, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.